So O3 Mini is wild. Here are 10 of the top use cases that are live. O3 Mini live, full version O3 is not even here yet. And people are building some crazy things, and I wanted to go through them here with you. I'll definitely retweet this so you can have access to it after. But ChatGPT ad maker to recreate OpenAI's $14 million Super Bowl ad. Let's watch this, dude. This is crazy. An ad maker? What are you talking about? I can't even watch this, bro, because my screen's too big. How do I zoom out? There we go. So somebody made like an ad maker or something. I didn't even see this rule ad. So I mean, this is a cool little example, I guess. Dot size here. Okay, actually, I do remember this from the Super Bowl. Anyways, build an AR Tetris in 15 minutes here. Okay, this is kind of slick. So O3 Mini, another 15 minutes is the crazy part. He built a Tetris in Web AR. Try it yourself here. Also a full walkthrough on how I built it. So this is pretty cool for 15 minutes. Are you serious? Are you serious, dude? He said, Mazda says you're essentially saying you want a monopoly. I do. I do want a monopoly. Apple's a monopoly. I like monopolies. I love Monopoly, actually. Um, this is a Rubik's Cube visualizer and unscrambler here. O3 Mini. Sure, it took like 10 minutes. Cyberpunk multi-agent simulator with O3 Mini plus O1 Pro. Okay, update here. With one shot, it got surprisingly closer than I thought it would. There are some glaring issues. I don't even know what a Cyberpunk multi-agent simulation is. So O3 Mini web crawler with Firecrawl.
In Firecrawl is the website to crawl. Then I'm going to ask it to find the place. So first it's mapping the whole website. Then it's re-ranking all of the URLs based on the objective using O3 Mini. Okay, here's the top 3 ranked URLs. And then finally, it's initiating scrapes of each page to find the objective. All right, and here's all of our pricing plans. So let's watch.
All right, so people are cooking with O3 Mini. That's fire. I'm glad to see it, dude. Just cook for yourself, dude. Don't make it open source, please. Open source is dead. Puzzle game, Pixel. I think the power of O3 Mini is the speed to launching, right? So I feel like this tweak almost misses that. OpenSea launches an OpenSea token. Jesus Christ, dude. Compose an emotional song using Python. What the fuck is this, bro? It's an awful song, let's be honest. Create advanced interactive demo of the 3-body problem in 3.js. A lot of these are a little too smart for me, I would say. So these are cool. These are cool, but a lot of them are like, how are you applying this? In mis pruebas, so in my tests, O3 Mini is espectacular programando. So it's O3 Mini is a good, what's that word in English? Especular? Spectacular? Like spectacular. That's what it is. Spectacular programmer. Mirad la web que me hizo. Le pedí crear 8 animaciones para las reglas de Think Clearly. So it made 8 animations of the rules de Think Clearly. I mean, these are cool. These are cool, but to be honest, I'm not that impressed simply because I've been using it every day. So of course I understand the power of AI, bro. But I thought this would be interesting to bring to your attention. So I wanted to bring it to your attention. Mazda says, in your boot camp, you mentioned that you don't do anything in the morning and go straight to the gym and then to RBI after the gym. Do you listen to anything in the gym? My AI says, sure thing. In the mornings, I like to go straight to the gym and focus on my workout. I usually don't listen to, I actually do. I listen to Audible. I listen to Audible books, right? And right now I'm listening to the Bible. So I'm usually listening to like a good book, and that's why I always ask for you guys' book suggestions because I wanna read what y'all are reading because you guys inspire me, dude. So yeah, I try to just listen to Audible. I go for a little workout. I walk my dog, and then I get into coding, bro. Today, obviously, I got a bunch of things I want to look into, and I'll get into coding a little bit later. But instead of spending my evening time looking into this stuff, I've just, if I catch something that's interesting to me, I'm just putting it on a list, and then I'm going to go through it with you guys because I need to know your thoughts on things to really formulate mine. Rybear says, but how does O3 Mini work with
It's
blockchain?
something that truly
Right? That's a good
exists
question.
in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it. Period.
Period. Period, dude. So O3 Mini's fire, but it looks like O5's coming soon. So I think that's going to be even more fire. But at the end of the day, what's going to happen is they're just going to keep dropping more and more models on us, dude. More and more models that are better and better. But the only people that are going to win are the idea guys, the people that actually build, dude. You don't want to go live this life. I promise you. You don't want to get paid $900,000 from Amazon because you're literally giving your life away. This guy works from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and his wife divorced him because he's been playing on this rat race because that's what it is. As a developer, it's a rat race. If you're lucky enough to be able to get a job right now, dude, you have all of these options. You could build Cursor. You could build Bolt. You could build Lovable. You could build Maricore. You could build 11 Labs. You could do what I'm doing. I'm a quant. There's so many different things you can build with code. That's why I believe code's a great equalizer. If you learn how to code, you won't be affected by all of these layoffs that are happening. I don't even know where the link went, but there's a crazy chart showing this right here, dude. This, if you're a developer, dude, come on, B. We're cooked. We're cooked as developers if you're trying to get a job. So that's it. Much love to you. O3 Mini, 04, 05, 06. Come on, step on the gas. Let's build, bro.